In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can remove all devices that are connected to your Telegram account. You can simply terminate all devices that are signed into your Telegram account in just few simple steps. To do this, simply head into your Telegram. On this page, tap right here to head into your settings. On the settings page, you will have to select the option of devices. You can just tap right here to log out all devices, including your own device. You can also tap on edit right here to select any device you would like to remove from your Telegram. That's how easy it is to sign out devices that are logged into your Telegram account. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.